a lot of people overspend on PPC, which is a big problem, right? So we can definitely do a session in PPC. Let me make a note of that. We can probably do that on like next week's call. So I can run 30 minutes on exactly how I do it. I like to keep things super simple, right? And, you know, PPC is not, it's not hard when you know exactly what you need to be looking for, right? Well, when you know, there's been a lot of accounts that have gone into, it's like, well, wait a minute, why is your campaign still running? Or why is this keyword still running? Or why are the negative keywords there? Or why are you spending too much in cost per click, right? Once I show you the details that you need to look for when it comes to PPC, then at least on a foundation level, you'd be able to optimize your campaign yourself. Now, scaling a PPC is different, but I think you have to know the foundation of a PPC and what to look for, what everything means, right? If you're getting high impressions, no clicks, what that actually means, where your product is actually selling. Because a lot of the times when it comes to PPC also is you might look at a keyword and say, okay, it's performing, pretty well, but that keyword is in different positions on the actual page, that same keyword. If you type in, let's say, dog seat, for example, or whatever you want to say dog seat, and you're using that keyword and it's converting relatively well, have you checked exactly where on the page it's converting well? Is it converting well on the top of the page, on the product listing page, on the bottom of the page, right? And then you have to know how to turn off where it's not converting well on that particular keyword. So a lot of people will just look at that keyword saying it's doing okay, they drop CPC. Don't do that. Look at where it's converting first, so you make sure you don't turn that off. So again, there's these certain strategies that I'll teach you to show you the foundation level of a PPC campaign so you can analyze the campaign yourself. And then from there, if you want to scale it, that's another conversation to have. But I think the fundamentals are very, very important to get right.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.